Time to head back to J Lounge, one of their restos, so that we can eat. Tazzy, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yay! What did you feel? Thrilled? I was also thrilled, but in a scared kind of way while waiting for him. Thank God we survived the slides. Now let's go to Dada. The feels is very reminiscent of Disney Hotel. No? J Park feels like Disney. Actually, when we first stayed here, I was still pregnant with Taz. That was 2015. I already told Hans na J Park feels like Disney, especially our room at that time because we got a carpeted room. Back in 2013, I was at Disneyland with my mom. We stayed at Hollywood Hotel in Disney. So, ayun. Tapos ngayon eto, it retained its Disney feels, at least for me, for us. What they did to our food, it's so cute. It has a fan. I love it. This is the J Park Pizza. Volumes. Grabe. Hindi pa kami nanananghalian. Anong oras na? Ito na yung tanghalian natin.